with. Actually, let's leave this on. That's smoking hot. You're gonna go and add a little bit of pinch of saffron. These are expensive, so you want to go and make sure that it is added in and none of it is missed.
Wait, chef, what is that?
This is saffron.
Okay, well, what is this?
It is from Spain.
What is it again?
It is the 3 stigmas from the crocus flower. Only 3 is found in 1 flower. So in order to go through and make this much, it's like a whole field of crocus flower. Handpicked, has to be. So as it sits in here, you can see even now, so come over, and if you move it, you'll see that it's starting to become yellow, okay? It'll get more and more yellow as we heat it up. Do not let this boil, all right? Because this will end up becoming the liquid. So it has to be for every half a cup, it'll be 2 cups of liquid, okay? Sorry, for every half a cup, it's double the amount of liquid, so it'll be 1 cup, okay? So let's start this over again. This will be put over here. So what's the first thing that you guys put in again?
Onions.
Only Joel will be speaking. Because I'll be hearing Joel telling me what's the next step.
The onions.
The onions are the next step? Okay, why do I add the onions?
To, like, put them together, like blended.
Put it together. What does it mean to put it together? Why do you need to saute the onions first then? What's the purpose of sauteing? Can someone help? Yeah.
Sauteing brings up the flavor.
Sauteing brings out the flavor. So the longer an onion cooks,
The more flavorful.
the more flavorful the food will end up being. Okay, that's why we always put the onions in the beginning. So now that
Brown.
they're brown, got a helper there. So once it starts to brown, then you're gonna go and add the next thing. So these steps are actually crucial to make it so that it's flavorful, okay? Did you guys enjoy the empanadas last time? Pretty good, right? They're like little. At this color now, if you want to take a look at the saffron color, it's pretty,
Yarrow.
it's pretty yellow. And that's because of the saffron that's coming out, so it will become a yellow rice. Just put a little bit in for smokiness. Okay, so if you want to see how much, I just in the spoon. Okay, but you guys are really good at figuring out your flavors now, tasting it and stuff. So I don't have to really worry about it. Once you got that, you're gonna go and put your rice in. And you're gonna toast your rice. Look really similar to the rice pilaf. It'll be very similar to rice pilaf, actually. It is. This is exactly how you make rice pilaf. So there's no difference.
Oh.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go measure this out. Make sure that I have, and I turn this off, okay? And I'm gonna measure this. Make sure that it's 1 cup, okay? Yeah.
What if it's just under or something?
Then this should be fine. But if it's over, then, okay? And I want to get all the sigmas in there. Okay? So it's this yellowy, reddish color. Turn it back on. Okay? So this is almost like a review because all of you guys took my grade 9 class, right? So you all know how to make a rice pilaf, or you should. So this is exactly how you make rice pilaf. It's just the difference is you're gonna add different things. Chicken. You can add the chicken in here too when you're sauteing the onions and everything, guys. Yeah, add the chicken in because I don't have the chicken, so I add extra chorizo. So once you see a bubble, right? Same idea as what you did. So it's like, it should be pretty much of a review. So then you cover it. And it goes for 20 minutes. Obviously the same thing is that you guys need to go and make sure when you guys are taking it out to put it on a cooling rack. That's not to be bell peppers. Okay, peppers is really in for Spanish cooking. Yeah, and you're gonna go and saute your squid, and you can just wait. So the squid is frozen right now, so I can't do it for you. But the squid is just calamari, basically. You're gonna go and take it and use high heat, and then you're gonna saute. Okay, but make sure it's actually smoking hot. Just try not to cause a fire. Cause a fire, and then after that, you guys could add a little bit of lemon. Okay, so did you guys write that down? Because I'm not doing it. So saute on high heat. Okay, it should be sizzling and smoking, and then it should take like 5 seconds only to saute. Yeah, this thing takes 5 seconds. If you do more than 5 seconds of saute, so toss it twice or so, add a little bit of lemon juice, and then take it and then put it into a bowl right away. If you don't, you're gonna eat elastic bands because these taste really gross once you overcook it. So it's in the hot pan, toss twice, squeeze the lemon juice, and literally is that quick. If you overcook it, it will end up. It should once it curls, it's done. Okay, so just keep that in mind. All right. And then you can add your cheese when, guys. At the very end for you. Plated. It's just exactly like chopped herbs, okay? And that's basically it. So I'm gonna saute this. You guys know how to saute. You don't have to look at this. So I'm gonna show you the last take when it's done. But right now, there's a couple of squid, my vegetables, right? I'm just gonna go and dump it in, right? And all I do is just go and use a fork. Since I don't have a fork, I'm gonna use chopsticks. And I'm just gonna go and kind of like mix it up, okay? So it has a lot of color. And then last minute, I'm just gonna go and add the cheese. Okay, and let it kind of melt. And that's basically it. All right. Paella is super easy, and you could add anything in there. The main ingredients that you need to add will be chorizo, for sure. You have to use things like saffron, all right? Other than that, and obviously the rice, but other than that, you can use anything you want, okay? So pretty simple, right? So that will be your Friday, sorry, your Wednesday. That Friday we're gonna be